Friends, welcome to the SST classroom, and this one is the part 4 of the video, the French Revolution, chapter number 1 of history. In the previous video, what we started, students? Let's have a recap. Demands of the people of France and outcomes and results of the revolution. What were the demands of the people of the third estate persons, and after the revolution, do the people of the France got those things what they were demanding from the King Louis? You studied it briefly in the previous video. For more information, go back to the part 3 and look the video if you want more information. Then what happened, students? King Louis was beheaded. His dynasty was declined by the third estate person. And what happened? The national party becomes the party of the political party of the France people. But they were not having any kind of plans that after the freedom of the country, how we are going to run the government. Because the Bourbon dynasty, the King Louis monarchy system was going on in the France from a very longer time period. And there was no constitution, only the rules of kings and queens were following over there. They didn't plan it. So in these conditions, what happened? The country became non-democratic again and again. If we are not prepared with the things कि after the freedom हमें क्या करना है, if we are not done with the proper planning, तब उस conditions में क्या होगा, country में बार बार मोनार्की वापस आएगी. मीन्स कोई ना कोई पर्सन बार बार उस कंट्री के ऊपर रूल करेगा. इट मे बी अ पर्सन इनसाइड और इट मे बी अ पर्सन ऑफ आउटसाइड. क्यों? रेवोल्यूशन के टाइम में लॉट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स केम एंड कंट्री बिकेम वीक when there is no ruler, people are not having any of the plans, then country became weaker. Or in that condition, any of the person who is having a little bit mindset, plannings and strategy can become a dictator of the country very easily. And so happened with the France also. People fought with the King Louis, got the freedom for some time period, but the political party which fought against the King Louis, National Party was there, National Assembly, the name of the party. Those people became so famous in the country. People were supporting, everyone was supporting them. What happened? One of the person of the National Assembly became the ruler of the France. Why? Because now he was having the power, he was having a little bit strategy. So in this chapter you are going to study that how monarchy came again in the France in 1793. though it didn't run for a longer time period, सिर्फ एक ही साल तक के लिए उसका monarchical system रहा, but still monarchy came back in the France. And this time period was known as the reign of the terror, is known as reign of the terror in the history. Reign of terror in 1793 to 1904 time period is known as the reign of terror. Who was the king? Maximilien Robespierre became the king of the France after the King Louis. In 1793, Maximilien Robespierre became the king of France. He was the leader of Jacobins club. Jacobins कौन थे? Who were the Jacobins? When the National Assembly was formed, there was a small group of political party, another small group. National Assembly के ही साथ साथ में another small group was running a political party that was the name Jacobins. That party was not in the fame a lot at that time क्योंकि National Assembly का fame बहुत ज़्यादा था लोगों में. तो this party didn't get the popularity in the society. But later on, as the time moved on, one of the person of this party becomes the king of the France. he started ruling on the France. So how he became, he joined his Jacobin party with the National Assembly. मतलब दोनों पार्टी ने मर्जिंग कर ली आपस में, एंड दे मेड अ न्यू पार्टी, नेशनल कन्वेंशन. नेशनल असेंबली थी, वन पार्टी वॉज नेशनल असेंबली, अनदर पार्टी वॉज द जैकोबिन. दोनों मिल गए आपस में, दोनों पार्टीज़ ने हैंड्स ज्वाइन कर लिए कि आप भी किंग लुइस के अगेंस्ट फाइट कर रहे हो, आई एम ऑल्सो फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट द किंग लुइस, लेट्स ज्वाइन द हैंड एंड विल बोथ रन आवर कंट्री. Right? Then what happened after the freedom? One of the person became the ruler of the France, and the name of that person was Maximilian Robespierre. This period is known as the Reign of Terror due to guillotine. अब इस period को Reign of Terror क्यों कहते थे? What is the meaning of terror? Terror means threat, डर लोगों के अंदर. And this period is known as the Reign of Terror because of the guillotine. Guillotine क्या था? It was a device which used to cut the heads of the person. ये एक तरीके का डिवाइस, एक तरीके का वेपन हुआ करता था, हथियार जैसा डिवाइस होता था जो कि लोगों के सिर काटने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता था. एंड दिस वॉज द बिगेस्ट थ्रेट फॉर द पर्सन, एंड दैट इज़ वाई दिस टाइम पीरियड इज़ नोन एज राइन ऑफ टेरर. वाई? Because Maximilian Robespierre, when became the king of the country, he made several rules and regulations, so many, and the person whomsoever do not follow the rules and regulations and found the guilty, they got caught. The people caught them, the army person of the Maximilian Robespierre, they caught the persons, and if they found the guilty, so what happened then? Then those people were beheaded in front of the whole society. कोर्ट में नहीं, अकेले में नहीं, पूरी सोसाइटी में, in front of the person, these punishments were given, and that is why the people became in the biggest threat that if we are not going to follow the Maximilian Robespierre rules, then our heads are going to be cut. I am showing you the pictures also. This is a picture of the Maximilian Robespierre who becomes the king in the 1793 of the France, and he ruled over the France for the 1 year. Then this is the device, guillotine. As you can see over here, this is the place where the head was kept. Here is the blade, और यहाँ पर सिर रखने के बाद this blade comes down and cuts the head. This was the punishment in the Maximilian Robespierre's time period, and people got this. See, in this picture, as you can see, here Maximilian Robespierre is standing at the back, and the another persons are taking the head of the person in the guillotine. इसमें करने के बाद just put down the blades and their heads beheaded. This was the biggest threat. It happens like this publicly in this country. He used to give the punishments publicly so that the people of the France cannot protest against him. कि अगर उसके against किसी ने भी protest किया तो what will happen? Their heads will be going to be beheaded. So this device becomes a threat for the France people, and that is why this time period is known as the Reign of Terror. But any of the rule cannot be run for a longer time. और इस तरीके के rules क्यों? What happened? One day the National Convention, the party who made the Maximilian Robespierre, जिन्होंने उसको अपना लीडर बनाया था, that party accused and arrested the Maximilian Robespierre, and along with his 19 supporters and closest associates, Maximilian Robespierre was guillotined in front of the people. And in this way, the ruling time period of Maximilian Robespierre ended in the 1 year. But this 1 year is very famous because it was the time when the people was living in the more threat. King Louis was nothing. He was the biggest threat for the persons at that time. And what happened then? Again, the France became democratic, free from the rule of any of the person. But as I said you, Again, the things are not in the planning, not in the planned way. Again, they haven't planned कि फ्री होने के बाद हम अपनी कंट्री को कैसे रन करेंगे. एंड व्हाट हैपन? Guess what happened then? Yes, the again monarchy came in the France. But how it came and who became the next ruler of the France, that I will be telling you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.